Welcome, Buccaneer. As a Berry student, it is important to make sure your financial aid is in order. In this tutorial, we will learn how to provide Federal Student Aid Authorization. Federal financial aid is automatically authorized to cover your tuition and fees. However, a one-time authorization is required if you plan to use federal aid for books, supplies, and other charges at Berry University. This is why submitting your Federal Student Aid Authorization is important. Start by logging into the student portal. Once on the home screen, click the financial information icon shaped like a bank, located on the left side of the page. In the drop-down menu, click on the financial aid link to open its additional options. Then, click on the Federal Student Aid Authorization tab. To authorize, check the authorization box and click the Submit button. To decline, remove the check from the authorization box and click the Submit button again. You will see a green text box appear in the top right of the screen once it has been successfully submitted. Here's an important note. Authorizing Berry University to use federal funds can cover non-tuition related charges and use up to $200 of federal funds to cover charges from prior terms. Providing Federal Student Aid Authorization is optional and at your discretion. Thank you for tuning in.